When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make a bigger difference than replacing old, drafty windows. But while choosing the right window style, material, and energy efficiency features is important, the quality of the installation is what truly determines how well your new windows will perform. For homeowners in Hilliard, where weather changes, seasonal humidity, and long-term durability are key concerns, expert craftsmanship is essential for getting the most out of your investment. Whether you live in a newer family neighborhood or a long-established Hilliard community, here's why proper installation, done with precision, skill, and attention to detail, matters more than you may think. Energy efficiency depends on proper installation. Even the most advanced, Energy Star-rated windows can't deliver full performance if they're not installed correctly. Poor installation leaves gaps around the frame, loose seals, and misalignment, all of which lead to air leaks, drafts, and rising energy bills. A skilled window installer ensures a tight, even fit around the entire frame, proper insulation and sealing techniques, no gaps, cracks, or misaligned components, smooth operation for opening and closing. In a climate like Hilliard's, where both warm summers and chilly winters are common, you want windows that help maintain consistent temperatures year-round. Quality craftsmanship ensures your windows maximize energy savings from day one. Protecting your home from water leaks and moisture damage. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to a home's structure. Without proper installation, even a small gap around your window can let water seep into walls, causing rot, mold growth, and costly repairs. Expert installers use advanced weatherproofing methods such as flashing tape, waterproof sealants, proper drainage channels, secure frame anchoring. This kind of detailed craftsmanship keeps rainwater outside where it belongs, especially important during Ohio's wet seasons. When your windows are installed correctly, your home stays dry, healthy, and protected long-term. Improved home security starts with strong installation. A window is only as secure as the way it's installed. Poorly mounted windows are easier to force open, while loose frames can weaken over time. Quality craftsmanship enhances security through reinforced mounting techniques, proper lock alignment, tight-fitting sashes and frames, durable hardware installation. Hilliard homeowners looking for peace of mind benefit from an installation that ensures every window is secure and resistant to tampering or forced entry. Longer window lifespan and fewer repairs. When windows are installed with precision, they last longer and require fewer repairs. Misaligned frames can lead to premature wear, cracked seals, hardware breakdown, sticking or jamming when opening and closing. High-quality installation prevents these issues by ensuring everything is level, balanced, and sealed properly. This helps your windows maintain their integrity, appearance, and performance for many years, saving you money on maintenance and replacements. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Quality installation enhances not only energy efficiency but also overall comfort. Properly fitted windows help block outside noise, making your home quieter and more peaceful. This is especially valuable for Hilliard homeowners living near busy roads, schools, or active neighborhoods. Air leaks are another common issue with poor installation. Drafts near windows can create cold spots, reduce comfort, and force your HVAC system to work harder. With expert installation, your windows remain tightly sealed, promoting better airflow control and year-round comfort. Better curb appeal and home value. Windows play a major role in your home's appearance. An uneven frame, visible gaps, or crooked alignment can detract from your curb appeal. Professional installers ensure your windows look as good as they perform: clean lines, smooth operation, and a polished finish. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, quality installation also increases property value. Buyers recognize the importance of well-installed, energy-efficient windows and see them as a premium upgrade. Final thoughts. In every Hilliard window installation project, craftsmanship matters, not just for aesthetics, but for performance, safety, comfort, and long-lasting value. Proper installation protects your home from moisture, reduces energy loss, enhances security, and ensures your windows work exactly as they should. When you choose an installer who values precision and experience, you're not just buying new windows. You're investing in the long-term health, comfort, and efficiency of your home.